China Study Guide. Directions. Use the chapter summary, which is linked here in orange. You're going to click on that and open the summary into a new tab so you have that to refer to. And any other resources that we have completed in class to complete the questions below. Vocabulary. Identify the meaning or importance of the following words: aristocrat, ideograph, filial piety, Taoism, legalism, Confucianism. Part 2, directions. Answer the following questions using your summary and other class materials. Your goal should be to answer the questions as completely as possible. Be detailed to help you prepare for Wednesday's test. Use the boxes in yellow to record your answers. Number 1. What role did geography, especially the mountains, rivers, and deserts, play in China's history and civilization? Number 2. The Shang dynasty developed the first writing system in ancient China. What were they originally writing on, and who were they writing to? Number 3. What caused the Warring States period to begin during the Zhou dynasty? Number 4. During the Warring States period, 3 main philosophies developed in China. What were the 3 philosophies, and what did each of them teach? Number 5. What is filial piety, and why was it important to ancient Chinese culture? Number 6. What type of philosophy did the Qin dynasty follow? What were the laws, punishments like? Number 7. To defend against northern invaders, the Qin dynasty began the construction of what? Number 8. What was used to select government workers under the Han dynasty? Number 9. What philosophy did the Han dynasty use to govern ancient China? And number 10. What was the network of trade routes that connected China to Western civilizations called? What was traded on this path?